What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Trading Simplified. Did the market bottom today? That is a question I'm starting to ask myself. We have the tariff news coming up on April 2nd. The market has digested the news. It has sold off. Looking at this 3 months, has the market bottomed? I have been buying the dip. If you're a member of my channel, you will know which stocks I am buying, or a member of the WAP, you will see as well. So for those of you that are supporting me, thank you so much. Taking a look at QQQ, we dropped from 540 down to 457. That is a monster pullback, 15% pullback. Zooming in on this, look at this green wick right here. Very big indecision candle, 457, pushing it right back up to 462, ending the day around 467. Are we going to start to get this V-shaped recovery, move back up? In order to get that, we're going to have to break above this 475 with another move up to 480. Looking at NVIDIA, look at NVIDIA as well. Retesting this level. Retesting the 103, which you had this touch right around here, around 104. Another big green engulfing candle coming in, pushing it from 104 up to 107. Let's see tomorrow. Will we get that start to get the reversal coming in? Consolidate and then push back up to 115 for the shorts to be looking to push it back down again. Definitely an interesting perspective here to see, is NVIDIA going to just completely fail this $100 level, or is it going to start to bounce here? There's a lot of green candles coming in here, so let's see if we can start building some momentum. Google stock, same thing. Look at this move. If you look at Google just from February, this is not that long ago. It's less than 60 days. 209 all the way down to 150. A 27 to 28% pullback. To me, these are excellent buying opportunities. I am scooping up shares. Loving these discounts that we're getting. I'm going to hold on to these shares for many years. I want to see, are we going to get that push back up now for Google to start consolidating at 150 back up to about 170? Only time will tell. We're going to continue buying shares, buying that dip. Microsoft, looking at these guys, made new lows finally. Looking at the 1-year chart here, if you check here, you can see it has pulled back from 453 all the way down to 375. That's a 16% pullback. Had that sell-off, had the bear flag form, and then sold off. But now buyers are starting to come in at this 370, 367 range. I do think there's a little more downside for Microsoft coming potentially here, 355, but we'll have to wait and see. These are great buying opportunities in my eyes. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Buy what you want to buy. But you can't help but think these big cap companies going down like this offers some opportunity for the patient investor. Now you have SMH, which is now support is around 200 to 205. Right here it is pretty evident. I'm going to move this down to about here. Now, will SMH start to find its leg and start pushing up from 200, trading within 235 range? So this will be very interesting to see and to monitor as time goes on. Definitely pay attention to SMH. For anybody that's not into semiconductor stocks or individual stocks for that matter, SMH, the VanWyck Semiconductor ETF, definitely something to look into. I'll also post that video at the end. I have that for you guys if you just want to break down to that ETF. Definitely very good to look into. But the SPY holding on, 550, bouncing off of that support. Looking at on the 5-year trend, the trend is your friend. So if you look at the 5-year chart, it's been bouncing off of this support, and now it is retesting it right here at this moment. I know it's scary sometimes buying the dip, but do you want to be buying up here at 600 and get that pullback of 10%? Or do you want to buy the dips when it starts selling off? For me, I'm always a dip buyer. I want to wait for these opportunities and buy them. Guys, thank you so much for tuning into the channel, Trading Simplified. Almost at 5,000 subscribers. If you hadn't, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Always appreciate hearing from you guys. Check out my created playlist where I pre-market live stream on Wednesdays, and I do on the weekends to do stock analysis. And then a bunch of playlists here for you to check through. Also, take a look at the membership as well. Consider joining. You get members only posts as well, just for you, and my new YouTube shorts I've been posting. So let me know what you think about them as well. I've been trying to advertise for these a little bit. I feel like they're good. I'm putting a little work into them. So Let me know what you think. Appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll see you next time.